I have created a registration form using Typeform, and whenever I receive a new registration for my webinar or any event, I want to add that registrant as a new contact in my Google contacts so that I can have a backup of registrant details for the future events. And now here manually creating the contact in my Google contacts for each and every registrant is very time consuming task. In that case, I have automated this entire process of creating contacts in Google Contacts using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a simple connection that I have built between my Typeform and my Google Contacts so that whenever a new form submission is received through my registration form, instantly that registrant is created as a new contact in my Google Contacts. Sounds interesting, right? So now here, before moving forward with the process, let me show you that how actually it works by simply making a form submission using my registration form. So this is the form. Here I'm going to enter some dummy details. For the first name I've entered Smart, and for the last name we're going to enter it as user. For the email we're going to enter it as smart@pabblytudes.com. Then here we're going to add a random phone number. Moving forward, and for the city we are going to enter it as Mumbai. Then we are going to submit this, and you can see we have successfully made a form submission. So let's go and check our Google Contacts. Here I'm going to refresh it, and then we are going to search for the contact, and you can see a new contact has been created with the name Smart User, and these are the details. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here, to build this automation, you need to access this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, by searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now here, if you're a new user and you have already tried and tested Pabbly and you want to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost effective price. So go and try Pabbly Connect and buy a subscription using this special discount code. For your reference, I have attached this code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see our Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here, to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first, and here you can see two methods. One is create from scratch and the other one is create using AI. So we're going to use this new AI workflow builder, and here we're going to start a new chat. Here it says, here they're ready to automate. Just tell me what you need. I am here to help. So I'm going to give a single line of prompt to this chat describing the workflow that I want to create. When a new form submission comes from Typeform, add it to Google Contacts. So this is a single line of prompt that I've given, and it says which Typeform trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to select new entry, and for the Google Contacts, we're going to select the app event as create contact. And it says ready to create this workflow. Here you can have a preview of the applications. Once it is approved, you can click on this approve and create, or you can edit it using this modify workflow button. We're going to approve and create, and you can see we have received the link for opening the workflow. That means we have successfully set up our applications using AI workflow builder. So here let me tell you that automations run on two most important principles, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up our trigger. So we've selected our app and the app event. Now we're going to build a new connection firstly. Alright, then we're going to click on this connect with Typeform. And here you can see Pabbly is requesting for the access. So we are going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So here I easily got connected because here I was already logged into my account in the same browser. Then it is asking for the form. So here I already have a form with the name registration form. So we're going to select the same from the drop down. And then we're going to update this response format to simple because I wanted to receive the response in a simple organized format. Then we're going to click on the save and send test request. Here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to make a test form submission using our registration form. So let me take you to my registration form. Here we're going to refresh it, and again we're going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. For the first name we are going to enter the name as dummy, last name as lead. Moving forward, for the email we are going to enter it as dummy@pablitudes.com. For the phone number we are going to add a random phone number, and for the city we are going to enter it as Ajmer. Then we are going to submit this form, and you can see we have successfully made a form submission. Let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and you can see instantly we have received a response where we have received all the form submission details. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new form submission, then we are going to use this registrant details to create a new contact in our Google contacts. So again we are going to build a new connection over here. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection we're going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then we're going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me for the first name, middle name, last name, answer, mother details. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new form submission through a Typeform, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data we are going to enter a slash first, then we're going to search for the first name. So this is the first name. Middle name is not required one, so we're going to leave it blank. Here we're going to map the last name. Moving forward, again these fields are not required one, so we're going to leave it blank. For the gender we are going to select unspecified, and here for the email we are going to map the email received. Again these fields are not required one, so we're going to leave them blank. Then we are going to map the phone number. Moving forward, and then here comes the event type. For that we are going to turn on this map button, and we are going to leave this field blank because I don't want to add any event type. Same goes with the relationship type as well. Moving forward, and now here after adding all the required details we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means a new contact has been successfully added in my Google contacts. Let's go and check it, and then we're going to refresh it, and here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name dummy lead, and these are the details. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected our trigger as Typeform and our action as Google contacts, so that whenever we're going to receive a new form submission through our Typeform, then automatically using the details it is going to create a new contact for that person in our Google contacts account. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to automatically create Google contacts on Typeform submission. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then use my special discount code that is available on your screens. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.